What's up, everybody? Ninth Limb people. I just finished 2 workshops here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So this is a little bit of a synopsis of some of the key techniques. You know, obviously I can't give you the workshop. I do have the sacred Psoas, and that is available on my website, which covers what I covered. Relaxation, like to actually be able to deeply relax. Calm yourself down. Let go of what you're holding on to. A lot of the barrier to achieving, let's just use Hatha yoga, postures, breathing, meditation. The barriers to you achieving what it is that you want, that particular posture, or that, let's say, a duration of meditation practice, or you want to hold your breath for this long, or whatever. The barriers to that is not what you're not doing. It's actually that you're doing too much. There's too much activity in your body. Too many muscles are clenching. Too many thoughts are occurring which are distracting your attention or are sapping your energy. And so it's actually, in many cases, most cases I would say, it's about do less. You know what you are to do. You are to do the handstand. You are to do the warrior posture. You are to do this breathing. Do less and go straight to it. Don't deviate. Don't tie your shoes, take a sip of water, scratch an itch. Just do it. Go right to it. One of the most powerful sense withdrawal or sense control exercises I ever did, pratyahara. I didn't learn it in a book or anything. I just determined for myself. I will drive to Florida. I was in Maryland at the time. It's a 14-hour drive. Excuse me. The whole drive, I had a gnarlier beard than I do now. And I told myself, I am not going to scratch my face one time on this whole drive. And itches, they came and they went, and they came and they went, and they came and they went. And I felt so accomplished when I arrived. I'd actually forgotten that was my goal, because at the end it just stopped, it didn't itch. And what was so amazing was the next day I had a meeting with my advisor, Dr. Mark T. Brown, if you ever watched this. And he commented, "You seem so patient right now." He was like going through papers trying to find something. We were having a meeting. And he said something like, "Your patience is impressing me right now." And it was true. I was impressing myself. I was like, why am I so not disturbed to I just feel so calm in my body. So I was doing less because I didn't do something. I actually did not do something, which was to scratch my beard. So a lot of the limitations to you achieving that pigeon pose or whatever, you know all the examples, or even in life, yeah, there are steps that need to be taken. And there are techniques that make things more efficient. For example, if you want to know sales, you go to Brian Casella. If you want to know seduction, you go to Arash Bazar. If you want to know hypnosis and language or pickup, you go to Vince Kelvin. You want to know sorcery, you go to Frank White. You want to know Hatha yoga techniques, how to achieve no mind, you come to me. But I will teach you, and you will learn that a lot of what's getting in the way of you achieving no mind is mind. It makes sense. It makes sense when I say it like that there's too many things you're thinking about, too many things you're trying to do that are preventing you from getting to where you want to go. So go straight to it, right to ease, no tension, no pass and go. Just go right to your goal. And be lazy while you do it. Do less while you do it. And it's that juxtaposition of ease and letting it happen while you progress forward, while you exert effort. It's a balancing act, for sure. I'm not here to say that it's easy to be easeful and exert effort at the same time. But that's where the sweet spot is. That's where you let go of outcome. And when you do that, that's when the outcome comes faster. So I hope you found this helpful. Check out the Silent Flute program. I give a lot on the Silent Flute that I don't give free on YouTube like this. So I hope to hear from you soon. Comment below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Namaste.